Hi guys, it's Tony again. I'm doing another elbow grease video because it's amazing. Basically, this is by 151, which you can find in the pound shop around here, pound street, or any thrift store, and that's what makes it so good. It's cheap, but look at what I've got. I've cleaned all this lino, which has been an absolute mess for years. I mean, the ex-girlfriend did it, and I thought it's high time I got my hands on these and scrubbed. Just look, I mean, look at the gear, look at what it's brought. I mean, that's just, I've used about a third of it, and I've done all this kitchen. It's not a massive kitchen, but look at all the crap. I just mopped in here before I did it, and that's some of the crap that's coming off it. Look at the water. I mean, it's totally grey. I mean, you can just see. But that is exactly how much crap it takes out. Really, I mean, you can see all the muck. You can see where I've been. And this is just years and years and years of just people coming in, coming out. What happens is with lino, it just gets into the lino material, and there you go, guys. Just look at how clean. I'll show you that when I'm just gonna a mop thing. Just look at that. Phone's ringing. Let's just look at the mop. Look how black that is. Look how clean that is now compared to the other bit. So that's a good video on that, guys. Get this stuff, it's amazing. I'll catch you later. That was only $1.49, so it's like 50p to do all this. Bye for now.